Hello friends, in our previous video we learned about identity operators in Python. In this video we are going to learn about membership operators in Python. So as its name implies, membership operator determines whether a particular value is a member of a specified sequence or not. That is, it determines whether a particular value exists in a sequence or not. So these are the two membership operators, in and not in. So we use it like this: x in y, where y is the sequence and x is the value which we want to determine whether this value x exists in this sequence y or not. Now this sequence y can be anything like list, tuple, set, dictionary, etc., or a string. It can be any sequence. So this in operator returns true if the value x exists in a sequence y, and the not in operator is just reverse of the in operator. It returns true when the value x does not exist in the sequence y. So let's switch back to Jupyter Notebook and let's see some of the examples of these two operators. So let's say we have a variable called x and its value is whatever. Let's say its value is 15, and let's say we have a list called y and it contains three values: 12, 15 and 20. So now if we apply the in operator on x and y, so if we write it like this, x in y, and run the cell, it will return us true. Why does it return us true? Because the variable x contains a value 15 and this value exists in this list or in this sequence y. So the value 15 is a member of the sequence y. That's why it returns true. So similarly, if we just check it with a non-existent value like this, if we check it with a value which is not existing in the list like 25 in y, then it will obviously return false because this value is not existing in the list. So this sequence y can be anything. Here we have used a list. It can be a tuple, a set, or anything. We'll look at all these data structures in detail in our later videos. As we all know, a string is also a sequence. So if you want to check if a particular character is existing in a string or not, then also you can use this in operator. So suppose we have a string s and the value of it is, say it is Python, and you want to check whether the character p is existing in this string or not. So for that you can do it like this: print p in s. So if you run the cell, you will get true because the character p actually exists in the string s, or in other words, the character p is a substring of the string s. So that's how the in operator works. And obviously the not in operator is just the reverse of the in operator. It returns true when a particular value does not exist in a specified sequence. So let's check that as well. So we will use the same example for the not in operator also. So if we now use the not in operator here and run the cell, it will return false because the not in operator returns true when this character p does not exist in the string s, but this character p is actually existing in the string s. That's why it is returning false. Now if we use a non-existing substring, like if we use q here, which is not existing in the actual string, then it will return true. So the not in operator works exactly the opposite of the in operator. So friends, that's it for this video. I have given you some exercise problems. Please solve these problems to clear your concept, and you can let me know the answers in the comment section. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload more Python and data science related videos. And please don't forget to like and share my video so that it reaches a larger audience and they also get benefited from this. Thanks a lot for watching.